Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have prerequisites: an HTML file and a modern browser. First, add the Tailwind CDN script tag into your page head so Tailwind loads at runtime. Once done, remove other global style resets to avoid conflicts and start applying utility classes straight to elements. Make sure your script tag appears before any inline scripts that reference Tailwind. This lets the CDN provide on-the-fly utilities and the default per flight, so you can begin styling immediately without a build pipeline. Next, customize behavior by declaring a Tailwind. Config object right after the CDN script. This extends theme, enables plugins, and sets content scanning patterns. Once configured, use arbitrary values and JIT-ready utilities to create precise spacing, colors, or fonts without rebuilding. Make sure to use responsive prefixes like SM, MD, LG, and state variants such as hover or focus to control behavior across breakpoints. This inline config approach keeps iterating. Finish by testing across viewports and consolidating repeated utilities into component classes or the config to reduce noise. When moving to production, swap the CDN prototype for a compiled Tailwind build to purge unused CSS and improve performance. If classes don't appear to apply, first clear the browser cache, confirm the CDN script loads before your HTML content, and ensure your content settings include the files you're editing. That single check usually resolves missing utility issues quickly so your layout behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.